You've probably been told modern cars last forever. They don't. Nearly half won't even hit 150,000 miles before something major breaks. But here's the good news. A few affordable ones will double that, and they're all under 30 grand. If you're tired of wasting money on overhyped models, this list is your shortcut to peace of mind. Today, we're counting down 13 affordable cars under 30K that routinely pass 200,000 miles with minimal upkeep. Real cars for real drivers who plan to keep them long after the payments end. Let's dive in. Number 13. Toyota Corolla Hybrid, $24,900. When you've had enough of repairs, recalls, and dealership excuses, this is where peace of mind begins. The Corolla Hybrid doesn't shout, it just lasts. With a rock-steady 50 miles per gallon combined and a drivetrain proven to cross 200,000 miles, it's Toyota's most quietly competent car. There's no lurching, no gear shock, just smooth, seamless torque that keeps your knees and nerves calm. Maintenance averages about $1,100 a year, and reliability sits at a confident 9 out of 10. If that sounds a bit too predictable, the next car brings the same trust factor with a sportier streak. Number 12. Honda Civic, $25,000. The Civic is what happens when engineering maturity meets everyday sanity. You get 31 city, 40 highway, rock-solid build quality, and the kind of handling balance that made this car a legend decades ago. Seat height sits at an easy 25.2 inches, perfect for sliding in without twisting a knee. And the blind spot camera system adds real-world safety that aging reflexes appreciate. Yearly upkeep stays around $1,200, and a properly maintained Civic can still cruise past 250,000 miles. It's reliability with attitude. And if you'd rather trade some zip for near-luxury calm, the next car smooths everything out beautifully. Number 11. Toyota Camry Hybrid, $28,400. This one's for the driver who values silence over speed. The Camry Hybrid hums along at just 65 decibels, returns an astonishing 51 miles per gallon, and boasts a near-perfect 9.6 reliability rating. The hybrid system blends gas and electric so smoothly you barely notice transitions, and its 25.5-inch seat height makes entry effortless. Annual upkeep hovers around $1,200, and owners routinely pass the 250,000-mile mark without breaking the powertrain seal. The Camry is less a car, more a lifelong companion. Steady, quiet, and utterly dependable. But if you'd like your peace of mind to handle a snowstorm, the next car is built for that. Number 10. Subaru Crosstrek, $25,300. If the Camry is calm, the Subaru Crosstrek is calm with hiking boots on. It's built for drivers who live where roads get messy or winters bite back. You get stranded all-wheel drive, 8.7 inches of clearance, and a powertrain that shrugs off 200,000 miles like it's just getting started. Mileage sits at a respectable 27 city, 34 highway, and reliability holds firm at 8 out of 10. Inside, the Crosstrek's upright seating position, a generous 27-inch hip height, saves your back from crouching or twisting. Annual upkeep lands around $1,600, a small price for go-anywhere confidence. This is the car for snowbirds, campers, or anyone tired of tiptoeing around puddles. You don't drive it, you rely on it. But if you prefer your comfort with more polish than grit, the next car makes refinement feel just as rugged. Number 9. Mazda CX-5, $28,500. For years, the Mazda CX-5 has been the secret handshake among people who still care about how a car feels. It pairs reliability with that rare thing in affordable cars, personality. Under the hood sits a proven 2.5-liter engine that's both responsive and frugal, delivering 24 and 30 miles per gallon and an 8.5 reliability score. The steering is crisp, the cabin near luxury quiet, and the heated steering wheel turns winter drives into therapy for aching hands. At 26 inches of seat height, it's a natural step-in, no climbing or crouching required. Annual upkeep averages $1,700, but that's a small toll for something this balanced, graceful, dependable, and built to outlast your lease payments. If the CX-5 feels too refined for Costco runs, don't worry. The next car turns practicality into an art form. Number 8. Honda HR-V, $25,100. Meet the master of space efficiency, the Honda HR-V. From the outside, it looks modest, but open the door and you'll see why families, retirees, and anyone over 50 keeps recommending it. The secret lies in Honda's magic seat system, which folds completely flat to swallow everything from garden supplies to grandkids' strollers. With 28 and 34 miles per gallon, a strong 8.1 reliability score, and a roomy 27.6-inch hip height, it's built for comfort without compromise. Maintenance stays around $1,500 a year, and the drivetrain is one of Honda's longest living. It's the perfect crossover for downsizers who still want flexibility without bulk. You sit high, see clearly, and never have to wrestle with cargo again. But if you'd rather lock in peace of mind for the next decade straight, at a price that makes accountants smile, the next pick checks every box. Number 7. Kia K4, 23 grand. Here's where modern tech meets old school value. The Kia K4 quietly disrupts the notion that budget cars must feel basic. For $23,000, you get 32 city, 41 highway miles per gallon, an impressive 89 out of 100 predicted reliability, and a 10-year warranty that beats almost everything else on the market. That warranty alone turns what could have been a gamble into one of the safest purchases you can make on a fixed income. The cabin feels solid and uncluttered, physical buttons where you want them, a clear screen when you need it, and smart voice control so you're not poking at icons while driving. The 25.8-inch seat height strikes a sweet spot between sedan comfort and easy entry. Yearly maintenance averages just $1,400, and long-term ownership data shows few surprises. The K4 isn't flashy, but it's honest. The kind of car that saves you money every month without ever feeling like a compromise. Still, if you'd rather have that same affordability wrapped in a taller, roomier body with a personality of its own, the next car puts fun back into functional. Number 6. Kia Soul, $20,300. The Kia Soul might be the most underrated car on this list. It's proof that you don't need luxury badges or complex tech to enjoy driving again. With 27 city, 33 highway MPG, 85 out of 100 reliability, and just $1,000 in annual upkeep, the Soul is one of the cheapest cars in America to own long-term. Yet it feels far from cheap. The tall, boxy design gives you an upright 27.5-inch seat height, letting you slide in and out effortlessly. Visibility is panoramic, and the cabin layout feels built for real people. Wide doors, simple dials, and excellent shoulder room. Its peppy engine makes city traffic less of a chore, and the 10-year powertrain warranty means even if something does go wrong, you're covered for the long haul. The Soul's charm lies in its predictability. It starts, it goes, it lasts. And it still manages to put a grin on your face. If you love that combination of ease and dependability but want a sleeker look and smarter tech, the next car is your sweet spot. Number 5. Hyundai Elantra, $22,000. The Hyundai Elantra has quietly transformed from budget commuter into one of the most complete sedans you can buy under 25 grand. It delivers 32 city, 41 highway MPG, and if you opt for the hybrid, you'll edge closer to 50. The reliability rating sits around 82 out of 100, backed by Hyundai's famous 10-year warranty, meaning you're covered long after most cars would be on their second owner. The 25.3-inch seat height makes entry easy, while the minimalist interior feels clean, bright, and refreshingly intuitive. No endless screens to fight through. Even better, the voice command system actually works, saving you from squinting or fumbling with menus. Yearly upkeep averages $1,300, and drivers consistently report that the Elantra feels just as solid at 100,000 miles as it did the day they bought it. It's modern comfort without complexity, a rare balance in today's market. But if you'd like your next car to practically drive itself through traffic, the next one offers genuine relief for long commutes. Number 4. Nissan Sentra, $21,500. If you want simple done right, the Nissan Sentra is the no-drama daily driver that's been quietly refined for decades. It's not trying to impress, it's trying to outlast. With 29 city, 39 highway MPG, and 8 out of 10 reliability rating, and $1,400 annual upkeep, it delivers exactly what a compact sedan should. predictable comfort, and extremely low running costs. The 25-inch hip height makes getting in and out easy, even in tight parking spots, and the ride is soft enough to keep your back relaxed on long commutes. The real win, though, is adaptive cruise control, standard on most trims, which takes the edge off traffic and highway fatigue. The Sentra's steering is light, visibility wide, and cabin surprisingly quiet for the price. It's the definition of steady transportation. Nothing fancy, nothing fragile, just trustworthy miles. But if you'd rather add all-weather confidence and crossover practicality without giving up that reliability, the next car makes that upgrade feel effortless. Number 3. Nissan Rogue, $28,600. For drivers who want the comfort of a crossover without the bulk, the Nissan Rogue hits the sweet spot. It delivers 28 city, 35 highway miles per gallon, an 8 out of 10 reliability score, and upkeep around $1,500 a year. Impressive for something this spacious. The 26.2-inch hip height gives a natural chair-like seating position that saves your knees and hips from awkward twists. What makes the Rogue stand out, though, is its clever storage. The divide and hide cargo system lets you adjust or conceal compartments depending on what you're hauling. Whether it's tools, groceries, or grandkids' gear, add the calm, confident ride, and you've got a crossover that feels more relaxing than most luxury SUVs at twice the price. The Rogue has quietly earned its place among the most sensible long-term buys in America. If you like the idea of reliability wrapped in comfort, but want even more visibility, tack, and old-school durability, the next pick rounds out the top 3 in style. Number 2. Chevrolet Equinox, $27,000. If dependability had a personality, it would look a lot like the Chevrolet Equinox. Over the years, it's evolved into one of GM's most consistent success stories. A family-friendly crossover that just works. You get 26 city, 31 highway MPG, a predicted 88 out of 100 reliability, and upkeep averaging $1,600 per year. The 26-inch seat height gives a perfect balance between sedan easy entry and SUV visibility, while the rear park assist system turns tight spots into non-events. No more neck twisting or bumper taps. Inside, the Equinox keeps things straightforward. Big knobs, wide vents, and seats that stay supportive on longer drives. It's built for people who'd rather drive than tinker. Most owners easily see 200,000 plus miles with regular maintenance, and replacement parts are plentiful and inexpensive. It's not flashy, but it's faithful. A car that earns your trust mile after mile. And if you think that's impressive, the next car combines Toyota's bulletproof engineering with SUV practicality and hybrid mileage. The jackpot of all 3 worlds. Number 1. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, $28,000. This is it, the sweet spot between economy car dependability and SUV practicality. The Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid blends everything Toyota does best into one package: bulletproof hybrid tech, everyday usability, and comfort that lasts. You get 45 miles per gallon combined, an 8.8 reliability score, and upkeep averaging just $1,300 per year. The 26.5-inch seat height means you step in naturally, not climb or drop. And the driving position gives that small SUV command view without the bulk. Underneath, it's the same proven hybrid system that's kept millions of Priuses running past 200,000 miles. It's quiet, composed, and engineered for low stress. Whether that's city traffic or cross-state trips, the cabin feels solid, visibility is generous, and every control lands exactly where your hand expects. This isn't just reliable transportation. It's long-term peace of mind on wheels. When you want one car that can outlast the payments, sip fuel like a hybrid, and still feel fresh 10 years from now, this is your retirement-proof ride. There you have it. 13 affordable cars that simply don't break down. They're efficient, comfortable, and proven to cross the 200,000-mile mark without wrecking your wallet. If this list helped narrow your search, hit subscribe to save you thousands in hidden repair traps. I'll see you there.